Hi there guys, what I've got here is a 2004 V70 with really badly faded plastic trim. So I'm going to use some simple ingredients that you can find in any art store to restore this back to the original factory colour. And what causes this graininess is that the sun basically boils away the oil in the surface layer. All we need to do is replace that oil and it'll bring back the original colours. This really couldn't be easier. The magic ingredients are distilled turpentine and refined linseed oil, both artist quality materials. You'll pick them up at any art shop. Nice and cheap, and they dry, not sticky. This works really well on the roof rails as well, and the door handles, and just about anything else with the plasticky finish. Nice and easy to apply, very quickly. Goes back to the original colour. If I just take you around to the front of the car here, did these bits earlier, they were in every bit as bad condition as the bits on the back. Here we are back, factory fresh.